Hi guys, happy Tuesday. It's Daniel here from PaintAccess and it's a unpacking. Let's go. Guys, in my hands, 17R080. It's a HVLP, it's a top of the range. It comes with these 3 needles, different sizes, and it's a 5-stage turbines. Let's do it. I'm going to cut. It's a brand new unit. Super excited what's inside. Let's have a look. Okay, what we are having here. This is a pretty cool gun, H2+. You can control your airflow and fluid. Very cool. Fluid is just the travel of your needle, and air, it's just like a tap regulator. Air coming in, squeeze the actual liner, and paint comes up. Okay, that's the first side. 3 liners. Okay, it's a bunch of manuals, of course, Australian plug, cable, some cleaning gear, pretty nice. Okay, that's the actual cardboard. Oh, hose. Now they have a hose. And it's a wave hose as well, but it's pretty flexible. You just connect to your gun. Very simple, very nice. So you can go on the cardboards. I like it. And of course, actual unit. So if you are specializing in kitchen cupboards, if you do lots of woodwork, it's a unique machine. You can do your 2-packs, you can do aqua enamels, water-based, oil-based, any type of paint. You can regulate your pressure, it's pretty much flow. Smart control, start control. Also you have needles. Oops. So one, I think number 3 inside in the gun already, and it comes with number 4 and number 5. Yep, that's the one. It's a nice draw. That's air filter, and that's pretty much it. So what's inside in the box? It's a hose, gun, liners, and yeah, as I mentioned, it comes with the 3 needles. Thank you everyone. Come to 462 Bunyan Road, Metroville. Cheers.
It sound right, boy.